What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from ClickWages. So, you might be wondering how to exactly withdraw money from ClickWages here. Well, first things first is you want to go to ClickWages here and basically log into your account. Now once in your account, this is your homepage here. You will want to access a very specific section here. So in this case, at the very bottom, you have 5 options or 5 buttons here. So you have homepage, invite, task center, videos, and cash out. Now since you want to cash out here, you want to go and click on cash out at the bottom right. Now it should show you your current balance, your referral rewards here, and a lot more like details about yourself. But at the very top left here, you have your name or your username here, and you have the cash out button. Let's go and click on it. Now the thing with cashing out here with ClickWages, you need to have at least like $200 available in your account in order for you to make a cash out here. So in this case, first is you want to make like $200 in your account first. So that includes like invite registrations, completing tasks, and watching videos. Now, from then on, once you have like $200 in your account, typically the option here that says cash out will be available to you, and you should be able to fill out the details needed to basically cash out from your account here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.